So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change the name of your Trust wallet. So guys, if you're not satisfied with the name of your current wallet in Trust wallet, then this video is for you. So once you're in this home page, just look below at these options right here. You'll see options like home, earn, history, and settings. Just tap on settings right here, and now you'll see even more options here. All you need to do is find manage wallets right here, tap there, and now you can see that the current name of the wallet right here, and right below it says backup restricted trace. And if you want to add a new wallet, you can also do so by tapping right here. And now there's a 3-dotted button here, tap there. You'll see options like change wallet name and remove wallet. We're trying to change the wallet's name, so just go ahead and tap there. So select the name that you like, and once you do so, just go ahead and tap on confirm. And as you can see, you have successfully changed the name of your wallet in Trust wallet. So guys, that's how you change Trust wallet's name. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.